Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making tuna noodle casserole in the Ninja Foodi. Okay guys, I'm starting out with my Ninja Foodi, and I have a 12-ounce package of wide egg noodles here. I'm going to go ahead and get them down in there. And I have 4 cups of water here. I don't know if I'm going to use it all. Let's take a look at this. Looks like I am going to use it all. We want enough water in there for the noodles to absorb it, but we don't want too much in there that when it's done cooking there's a lot of water left, residual water. So 4 cups seems like it's going to do it. And I've never done tuna noodle casserole in a pressure cooker or the Ninja Foodi before, so I'm experimenting as I go. And Dexter's just in there singing away for you guys. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of salt. Yeah, they hear you, Dexter. I'm going to give that a quick stir. Okay, now I'm going to put on my pressure cooker lid, and I'm going to make sure I'm set on seal. I'm going to turn on my power, and I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 6 minutes, and after our 6 minutes I'll do a quick release of the pressure. Okay guys, my 6 minutes is up. I did that quick release of the pressure. You can see my pasta drank up almost all of that liquid in there. That's what you wanted. So 4 cups of water is the trick. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in 2 cans of tuna. This is tuna packed in water. It's 2 5-ounce cans I drained. I'm going to add that in. And Dexter's just all wound up today, guys. He's all excited. Yeah, you are, Dexter. Okay. I'm going to add in some frozen peas. I'm going to go for about a half a cup. And if you don't like peas, you can leave this step out. This is optional. This just gives it a little more texture. Got a quick stir. Now I'm going to add in a 10.5-ounce can of cream of mushroom soup. And I'm going to add in a 10.5-ounce can of cream of celery soup. And I'm going to add some milk in. Let me go get my milk quick, guys. I should have had it on hand. Okay, I'm going to take the soup can and add in about a half a can of milk. So that's roughly about 5 ounces of milk. You just want enough to moisten it. You don't need a lot. I'm going to go ahead and mix this all together, get everything all blended. And I'm going to add a little bit of pepper in there, guys, just for some more flavor. About a half a teaspoon. You don't need a lot. Okay, now we're done with the pressure cooker part of the Ninja Foodi. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this on to the saute setting, saute sear, and I'm going to set it at the medium setting, and I'm going to let that go for probably about 5 minutes just to heat everything through. Once this comes up to a gentle boil, heat everything through and thaw those peas, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay guys, I let this one for 5 minutes and everything's heated nicely through. I have some sharp shredded cheddar cheese. I'm going to put about a cup to a cup and a half on there, and we're going to stir that in. And this is smelling good, guys. Now if you want to do this in the Instant Pot or any other pressure cooker, you would follow directions, and when it comes to the saute setting, you would turn your pressure cooker on saute brown. And only do it for a few minutes, keep an eye on it because it's going to get a lot hotter because you don't have a lower reduced setting on that. Now I stirred that cheese in, I'm going to put a healthy coating on top. And when you get to this part with your pressure cooker, if you have an Instant Pot, it's a stainless steel pot, just take that right out, put your cheese on and put it right in the oven. In like a 350-degree oven for about 10 or 15 minutes. If it's one with a ceramic pot, I probably would dump that in a baking pan and brown it up that way. I'm going to close down my air fryer lid. I'm going to turn on my power, and I'm going to set this to bake roast setting. And I'm gonna set this at, it's at 375. We'll leave it there. Hit the right button. I'm gonna give it 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes are up, I'll check, and if I need to, I'll give it more time, but I think it'll be fine. Alright guys, my 5 minutes is up. As you can see, my cheese is nice and golden brown. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and pick up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and added some parsley to this for some added color. I can see how nice and creamy that is. I'll get in here and give this a try. And you can also see it smoking hot. I don't want to talk too soon, but it sounds like Dexter tuckered himself out. So maybe we'll get the taste test in silence. It's really good. Pasta's cooked through, nice and creamy. Picked up the flavors of the soups I put in. Tuna, a little tuna here with some cheese and some noodles. It's really good, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. So there you have it. Tuna Noodle Casserole and the Ninja Foodi. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.